This is going to be my last one. I have to clean some of these off of my phone. Can you light that device now? Is there anything you want to say? Did you hear your voice? Whoever's here, can you tell me your name? What is the name of the spirit that opened the drawer a few months back? Papa, are you here? Carol, are you still here? Can you come right here, please? Did you see all those fly by? Wow. Can you come slowly up to the camera? All right, I'm gonna quit. Maybe I'll do it in the morning. Maybe before I go to bed if I get this all taken off. All right. Thank you if you said anything. You got really quiet.